Hey folks, and welcome back to the channel, StickShiftArt. Today we are here with what, my friend?
The Rod God in his 57 Pontiac Laurentian Convertible.
In all its glory. Let's have a peek at her, folks. Look at this baby. Woo-wee. In case you forgot, it's a Laurentian Pontiac. Where did this beast come from, my friend?
This car was restored in Calgary, Alberta. It's a Canadian car, one of 714.
Oh man, look at this interior. Silver and black. Canadian only color, apparently.
Canadian only color, yep. The yellow, sort of a mustard yellow on black. Fully loaded, dual carbs, power pack car, power windows, seats, steering, brakes, top.
Wow, Continental kit.
Yeah, it's got all the jewelry on it. It's quite a beautiful car and all.
It is indeed. Any idea what dealership it came from? Any history
Not
to
too
it?
sure on the dealership, but I know it was sold new in Alberta, and this fellow that I got it from did a major restoration on it.
He sure did. It's a show winner for sure. Canadian only color, apparently.
Yep, and it's a hard car to find even in any color. I actually just had a Sierra Bronze and Adobe Beige convertible I sold to Sweden, but this one I'm keeping.
Oh, well, I guess what the folks would like to know next, can we see the engine, please?
You sure can.
And maybe, if we're lucky people, he'll start it up for us.
Beautiful.
Behold, the glory. Ooh-wee.
There it is, power pack, dual force.
So clean.
It's the one that you had money, you're either a dentist, a doctor, or an Indian chief to be able to afford.
That was a good one. In case you forgot, it's a Pontiac. It's got the old data plate over here. Made in Canada, GM Motors. Proud. Well, we won't keep the folks waiting. Do you mind if you start her up, please?
Yeah, let's give her a whirl.
All right, folks, wait for it. We'll step back and show you what we're watching here. Oh, yeah. Laurentian V8. So clean, so beautiful. Oh, yeah. Get back here and show you this side. Secret exhaust port coming out the bumper. Got a Pontiac only feature here. Alright. Well, thanks Mike for showing us this car today.
Oh, you're welcome.
Appreciate
Thanks for filming it. And you're nothing unless you're driving a Tin Indian.
Alright, folks. Catch you on the flip side.
Yep.